Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Identify your phone type and where the power and volume buttons sit because frozen screens won't respond to taps. Make sure the battery isn't critically low, plug in if needed. This prevents mid-reset failure. Once ready, press the specific button combination for your device rather than holding random buttons. Do this now so the phone registers hardware input directly. This is the fastest way to break a software freeze and force the system to reboot. You perform the core action. For recent iPhones, press volume up, volume down quickly, then hold the side button until the logo appears. This triggers a low-level reboot. For most Android phones, press and hold power plus volume down for roughly 10 to 20 seconds. That forces a restart by cutting power to the processor. Samsung variants may use power plus volume down or a Bixby key combo. Use the exact sequence for your model. Once done, wait for the system to reload. You wrap up by letting the phone finish booting and staying patient for 1 to 2 minutes while apps and services relaunch. This prevents immediate refreeze. If the forced restart didn't work, let the battery drain until the device powers off. Then charge and attempt startup, or boot into safe mode on Android to isolate apps. Make sure to remove tight cases or switch chargers to rule out hardware buttons or power issues. If problems persist, contact authorized repair to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.